is up, you guys? This is Jesse from TheThemeParkPOV, and I'm giving you guys a full tour of All-Star Bowling and Entertainment here in Draper, Utah. So let's walk into the facility. Also, they have this little thing called Pins and Owls. Oh yeah, you gotta do that too. So when you guys come in here, you have to wear your masks. So you have to come up and do this. Offices right here. And over here, more stuff over here that you guys can get if you guys ever booking a party, birthday party. Over there is the prize counter, and over here is the escape rooms. It's called Scapeology. So these are the hours. Also, you have to wear a mask inside the facility. Alright. More pictures. A room in here. There's no sign out there. You get all your game cards, all your stuff over here for attractions. Here's the prizes. Also, they do half price games here also. In here is another big room. In there, TV. And then here is the arcade over here. And then over here is the laser tag arena. There's lots and lots of vests in here. And right here it shows your scores, and then the exit's over here. So you'll be coming out of this exit right here. So you got the prize zone. Got all of these prizes. This is where you can take your game cards in here and get all of this stuff once you get all the jackpots. See, there's also, here's more prizes down here. So there you go. More prizes over here. Also, right here, you guys, they have this huge virtual reality. This is called Hologate, and this is where you'll come up, and a ride attendant will come up, and there's 4 headsets. This is the platform that you'll stay on, and this is the whole thing. So right here, this is their shooting gallery. These are the prices for the games. Is your food. You can get all your food. It's my friend. All-Star Cafe. Also, the restrooms are over here. See the restrooms right there. Here is the Pins and Owls. There's a bowling alley in here. There's lots of other stuff, but I think it's open. Oh, yep, it is open. Yep, there's the Really fun. There's like lots of them. Also, so when you guys come here, you guys would purchase. You'll swipe your card right there to get into the attraction. Here's the rules. Alright, there's one more attraction here. This is the mini golf. This is movie themed miniature golf. It's really dark in here. This is the mini golf. This is done by Creative Works. So there's about 9 holes in this miniature golf course. There's the rules. But yeah, like I said, you guys, this is All-Star in Draper, Utah. They have lots of attractions here, lots of games, lots of entertainment, and then come check them out in Draper, Utah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Subscribe, turn on my notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.